How to fix a dispute in booking.com. Now, if you have dispute regarding your payments, your stays and your reservations or anything in booking.com, you can complain that and resolve it. In order to do that, just simply open booking.com and go to your profile from the bottom right corner and scroll down to all the way to bottom until you see the option of dispute resolution under help and support. Tap to dispute resolution, and once you tap to dispute resolution, this page is gonna appear where you just simply need to enter all of the details about the dispute. First of all, enter your full name, then email, then phone number, and then you need to select the topic of dispute. If you have any dispute regarding the reservation related dispute, just simply select reservation, and then you can also select subtopic. You have guest reviews or reservation related other issue, just simply select that, and you need to enter the property ID, which will be right there in your bookings. You just simply need to look into your bookings and it will be in there, and you need to write your problem or describe the dispute situation in your message section. And when you send it, after filling out all of the information, the booking.com customer support team will get it and review it thoroughly, and they will get back to you as soon as they have a solution for your problem. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe